Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig. If you want to know all the details about this wig, stick around. Yolissa Hair honey blonde 13x4 HD wig, and it is a 180 density.
Why?
It is definitely top quality hair. Now this hair has been obviously lightened to get to this color, but it is still really good hair. So this is the body wave texture, and again, it's in 180 density. But this hair does take really well to being flat iron. You don't need to curl it, but I definitely wanted to curl it since it is a body wave wig. Like, I really love the color. I love how full it is. Actually start, I think, at 180, so you don't have to worry that you're not going to get a full unit, because if you can see, this unit is very, very full. I did not do anything to the hair to change the color. This is actually the color that it comes in, and I secured it with some Got2b because it works really well. As you guys can see, this unit is installed flawlessly, I think, for my opinion. And I don't have a wig cap on. I tried it on with a wig cap, but you know, sometimes when you put on a wig cap, unless you do a ball cap method, you see the line, and I didn't want to do the ball cap method. Just opted out for the wig without a wig cap. If you did have a wig cap underneath, the scalp would look a little bit more realistic, but it really looks really good right now. Construction of the wig, the lace is a beautiful HD color, and it is true HD, so it blends into anyone's skin tone. I did not have to apply like any foundation towards this part. I just did, just to try to hide some of the black that's showing through from my natural hair. There is very minimal highways, as you guys can see. I don't have any hairspray or anything on this wig. It is like still in its natural state. I'm loving this color. This color is going to be good for spring and also for summer. Comment below what you guys think of this color. I'm feeling it. I love this wig. Super soft, as you guys can see. I'm running my hands through it. Now, the hair does not have a smell. Like, it does not smell like anything whatsoever. That is really good. So you can definitely wear this unit right out the box. I do want to mention, I did bleach the knots on my unit, but you don't have to. Now, there were a few strands that were dark on the wig, but it was very minor. Like, you definitely don't need to bleach it. You can wear it right out the box. This hair is definitely caviar approved. If you guys are wondering, the length that I have it in is 24 inches. So it's coming down pretty long on me. Even when it's curled, it still looks long. And keep in mind, I am 5'9". Let me know what you guys think about this wig. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely do that. Leave me a comment, a like. It goes so far. I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye!